Hi everyone, someone wanted me to show them how to do the crepe paper rosettes. So I'll show you what I did. I'm not an expert at this at all, but I'll show you a few kinds. Like for instance, I did this one where I had just, you lay it flat and you just weave in and out, you sew, pull it together, uh, and tie it, and then I just kind of like fluffed it all so it kind of looked like a little flower. I made that kind. I also did this one where it's not really like a rosette, but I tried to do like a flower with it, and I kind of just cupped it and kind of did this with it. I thought that was cute. I made one like this, just a single one that it's drying and it has a lot of glitter in the middle. That's going to be clear once it's done. But I did a rosette like this. And I think I'll show you how to do a double one, which is this right here, where you have the little one in the middle and then the outer one. And it's this. Now, if you're going to do just the single one, you just fold it and that's it. But if you want to do the one with the double, I'll show you. And again, I'm no expert at this. I don't really do them that often, but I'll show you what I do. And there's so many videos, I'm sure, on these crepe paper ones that you might even find an easier way to do it. So you're just going to fold your crepe paper up to about like that. And see, it's hard to get it even. This is why mine don't look that great. It's hard to get it even, but anyway, we'll try it out. So basically, you just fold it back and forth like this. I can already tell this probably isn't going to be coming out that great. Just by the way it's going, I can tell. But basically when I'm done doing that, I just kind of flatten it. And I kind of get these pieces all even as best as I can. Let me see something. It's tough because it already, like, it went up too far. Let's try this again. It went up too far of fold. Let me see. Sometimes I do these in one shot, and sometimes, forget it. It takes a few times. You need patience. And which is something I don't usually have. I like to go quick with everything I do. Quick. Just even these out a bit. All right, let's try this again. No guarantees. Let me do it this way. I have a lot of toads in my yard at nighttime, and I went outside because I had some sparkles on my mat, so I dumped them in the grass. Try to get rid of them, and there was a toad just sitting there, so I picked him up, said hello, and then sent him on his merry way. He was quite a chunker too. Okay, so you kind of go back and forth like I did there, and you gotta kind of make them even like this, at the top and on the sides as best as you can. And then I just get the glue and I just put some just along the edge like this. And I just hold it like that for a second. And then after a few seconds, when it starts to set, I'm going to just take it, I'm going to put a little bit right here on this end, and I'm just going to take it like this and flip it like that. You know, and if you need more glue in the middle, if you need to work at it, you can put a little bit of glue and hold it. But basically, there it is with the little one in the middle, and then the outer edge. You know, you can put some glue and hold it like this if you need to for a little while, fix it, or if you need to in the middle, you know, and then you just put your little circle there. So that's just a quick tutorial on how to make this little double one. Sometimes you have to cut it, like right here. There's a piece sticking up. I'll just cut that. You know, sometimes you have to play with it a little bit. But that's basically how you make a little double rosette. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.